Here I have two apples. Fuji apple is my favorite. Grocery stores sells many kinds of apples such as Pink Lady, Fuji, Gala, Golden Delicious, Granny Smith, Honey Crisp, Red Delicious. I've tried them all. I like them all. My favorite is Fuji because of the juiciness and the sweetness. Especially in Japan, where I'm from, the Fuji is the king of the apple. I peel the apples, cut them, and put them in a container that came with Evla's baby's food blender for steaming the food. I guess I could set up a steamer and use it, but it's much easier to just use the Evla steamer. Just steaming the apple makes the apple taste like apple pie without adding sugar. This is amazing. Especially once it becomes puree, it tastes like an apple pie's filling. I got a little bit addicted. So that tells me apples already contains sugar, a natural sugar, which is a good thing. Now I'm setting the 15 minutes timer for steaming apples. Container becomes really hot, so don't touch it while it's steaming. Some juice came out of the apple and it tastes like a sugary water. Now the last step is to blend it. Let it run for a few minutes. Evla's blender will automatically stop when it's ready. Usually stop that before that. Now this is the apple puree, nice and smooth. Transfer the contents into the storage container or plates and let it sit for a few minutes until it loses the heat. Delicious apple puree is ready. Apple can keep constipation away. Apples are high on fiber and can help put water into the baby's colon. Apple puree is a healthy and tasty meal.